Alright, here we are at the 1898 Chicago World's Fair with Tim Barrett, the living bird man. Just like birds are able to regurgitate their food and give it to their chicks, Tim Barrett can do the exact same thing. Here we have Exhibit A, the grape. Exhibit B, Tim Barrett, the living bird man. Tim Barrett's gonna swallow the grape and then regurgitate it back up. He's got no gas reflexes. Here we go, folks. Watch and be amazed. Alright, he got excited with that one. Here we go. Gone. He has managed to bring it back, folks. He's a living bird, man.
I'll do it again.
Birds will never go hungry around this man. He could feed the world. Because he never eats his damn food. Alright. Okay.